In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make the foundation half double crochet. So first, what is it and why use it? Foundation half double crochet is the chain and the first row of half double crochet stitches created all at once. You can use this anytime your first row is half double crochet. The foundation half double crochet creates a more flexible chain, it's easier to maintain good tension, and I think it creates a nice finished edge. So here I have two different swatches of half double crochet. This first one I started with a chain and then I worked half double crochets across for about 5 rows. You can see it's a lot more flexible at the top compared to at the chain. It's pretty tight. Now in this second swatch I worked a foundation half double crochet, and the flexibility of this swatch is even throughout. Now we'll get to the tutorial part. For this tutorial, you can use any yarn and appropriate hook size. I'm using 24/7 cotton, which is a 4-weight mercerized cotton yarn, and a 4.5mm hook. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 2, but be careful not to chain too tight. 1 and 2. Now you have 2 chains right here. Yarn over, insert your hook into that first chain and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. This is your first foundation half double crochet. Now to create the next one, when you rotate it on its side, you'll see that you've created a V. When you create your next foundation half double crochet, you'll go under both loops. Yarn over, insert your hook under both loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now we have our second foundation half double crochet. So turn your work on its side. You'll see you've created that second V. So you have your first one right there, and then your second one. So for your third foundation half double crochet, you'll go under this one. So once again, yarn over, insert your hook under that second V, both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now we have 3 foundation half double crochet. Turn it over on its side. Notice that other V that you created. You'll yarn over, insert your hook under that V, both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And there's our 4th foundation half double crochet. To work another one, yarn over, insert your hook underneath that V, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook underneath that V, both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on social media. Bye!